Hello everyone, this is my part 2. In part 1 I have covered income method for calculating national income. This is the part 2 in which I am covering the product method or the value added method for calculating national income. So according to this method, we measure the national income by aggregating the values of final goods and services produced by all the firms in the economy in an financial year. So we are aggregating the values of the final goods only, no intermediate goods, right? So when we add the final value of the goods, we get the national income of the country by using value added method. So let's start. Its first component is value of output. As the name suggests, output is goods and services produced in the economy and value is the market price. So what do you mean by this? Value of output means the market value of goods and services. Market value of goods and services. So how do we find it? First way is sales plus change in stock. Here one thing is very important to note that sales doesn't mean the sale within the country only. Firms may export outside the country. So sales here means domestic sales also and external sales also. The goods and services which is going out of the country also. They are also the part of sales. And change in stock. Change in stock is equals to closing stock minus opening stock. So this is the one way of finding out value of output. There is one more way in which you can find out. One is sales plus change in stock, domestic sales plus external sales, change in stock, closing stock minus opening stock. Another is output in unit into the market price. Into the market price. This is another way. So we can find out the value of output by two ways, sales plus change in stock or units output में जो given है into market price. We get the value of output. Is it clear? Value added is the second component. Value added. First is value output, then is value added. To find out is the formula is value of output which we have calculated earlier minus intermediate consumption. Minus intermediate consumption. Now value of output we have done. What is intermediate consumption? It means the goods which are used as raw material, which are not final, which are used during the process of making that good. That good may be purchased within the country or they may be imported from other countries. So they are the raw material for making that good. So they should be deducted. Otherwise what will happen? There will be a double counting. We will take the value of raw material also and the final. To avoid that, we are minus the intermediate consumption. So value added is equals to technically gross value added at market price. It is gross value added at market price. But as you know that we are doing national income, so now I will give you the steps to find out the national income from gross value added at market price. So we have calculated, we have reached at gross value added at MP. Where we have to reach? We have to reach at national income, that is NNP at FC. So between this is also equals to GDP at MP. Now I deduct depreciation, from it what I will get here? I will get net value added at market price, right? I will minus net indirect tax. What I will get again? I will get net value added at factor cost. Now net indirect tax is what? It is indirect tax minus subsidies. Indirect tax minus subsidies. So after this, what I have to just do the last step, net value added at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad. I will get to the last part, that is the national income, NNP at FC, which is the national income. So again we are summarizing. In this we have started with the value of output, sales plus change in stock. Second is value added, value of output minus intermediate consumption. Value added is also known as gross value added at market price. Then we deducted depreciation, we get net value added at market price. Then we deducted net indirect taxes. Indirect taxes minus subsidies is net indirect taxes. And there is one question which I want to clear here. Why we have minusing it? Because indirect taxes has increased the prices and subsidies has reduced the prices of the product when they come in the market. So to find out the factor cost from market price, we deduct net indirect taxes. Then we get what we get? Net value added at factor cost. Now we have to finally reach the national income. So I added net factor income from abroad and I get NNP at FC, which is the national income. So far I have covered the product method for finding out the national income. So my next topic will be expenditure method, which I will cover in the next video. Thank you. Any queries regarding this, you can comment, go to the comment section. I try my best to solve your queries. Thank you.